Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which browser you're using, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, because steps differ slightly. Once done, locate the New Incognito tab. It usually has a mask icon or says Incognito or Private. Make sure to close extra regular tabs first so you can focus on the incognito session. Now move your cursor to the tab strip and prepare to act. You'll either close the single incognito tab or end the whole private session, depending on your goal. You now close the incognito tab directly. Click the small times on the tab, or press Ctrl+W on Windows/Linux or CMD+W on Mac OS. That closes the active tab immediately. If multiple private windows exist, switch between them and repeat until none remain. Closing one incognito window doesn't always terminate other private windows. Make sure to check the browser menu. If New Incognito window is highlighted, you still have an active private session. Once gone, the browser returns to normal browsing mode. Finish by restarting your browser to clear any lingering private session state. This ensures extensions reset. If an incognito tab reappears or won't close, inspect extensions. Some can open private windows and disable suspicious ones, then try again. If the tab is stuck due to a frozen process, open Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac OS and end the browser process, then reopen normally. One troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, reboot your device to clear system-level hangs and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.